We'll be doing my crosswalk button experience on Douglas Avenue and Beltree Street. As you can see, this is my third time here.
Wait. Traveling east.
Oh, there you go, traveling east. So as you can see, new changes.
12, 11, 10,
Do this.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And here's another one.
Wait. Traveling north.
Traveling north.
Wait.
This one says traveling north. There you go. And then we're gonna cross.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
There you go.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this one here comes the countdown right there. Countdown to 0. Now we'll be crossing west.
Traveling west.
Yep.
Traveling west.
There you go. Crossing Douglas Avenue right now.
Wait.
You're gonna. Oh, this one.
12,
13 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so as you can see, this is cool. This one has a new change sound. This one has the cocoon noise, and this one has the noise, whatever it is.
Wait. Traveling south.
Now here comes traveling south. This one has the cuckoo noise on it too.
Wait. Traveling south.
Traveling south.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, so that is my crosswalk button experience of Douglas Avenue and Beltree. Even though that's a really good change, but why not?